In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a shipping address in Etsy. Whether you're a regular Etsy shopper or just discovering the delightful world of handmade and vintage goods, knowing how to manage your shipping addresses is crucial. It's a simple process, but getting it right ensures your order winds up at the right doorstep every time. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're signed in to your Etsy account. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to access the cart or proceed with the checkout process. Once you're logged in, start by browsing the site and adding the items you wish to purchase to your cart. Just click on the item you're interested in and then choose Add to Cart. Keep shopping if you wish, adding more treasures to your trove until you're ready to check out. Now, head to your cart by clicking the cart icon, usually located at the top right of your screen. Once there, click on Proceed to Checkout. This will direct you to a new page where you can review your items, total costs, and more importantly, manage your shipping address. On this checkout page, you'll notice an option labeled Choose a Shipping Address. Here, you have two main choices. If you've used Etsy before, you might see a drop-down menu that lets you select from addresses you've saved in the past. But if this is your first time, or if you want to deliver to a new location, you'll need to select Add an Address. Adding a new address is straightforward. You'll be prompted to fill in several required fields. Start by entering the full name of the person who will be receiving the package. Next, enter the street address, making sure to be as precise as possible to avoid any confusion. After that, type in the city, followed by the zip or postcode, and finally, select the appropriate country from the drop-down menu. Double-check all the information to ensure it's correct and up-to-date, as this will prevent any shipping errors. Once you've entered all the necessary information, go ahead and click on Deliver Here. This will save the address and apply it to your current order. Don't rush off just yet. Take a moment to review your order details, ensuring everything is just how you want it, from the items to your chosen payment method. Feel satisfied? Great. The final step is to confidently hit Place Your Order. This action confirms your purchase and initiates the shipping process to your chosen address. Keep an eye on email confirmations or Etsy notifications, so you'll know when your treasures will arrive. And there you have it. A complete guide to adding or changing a shipping address on Etsy, ensuring a smooth shopping experience every time. Happy shopping!